Hey guys, Chris Negley again with Elegant Estates. Wanted to make a quick video on your soffits and what happens when we wash the soffits. Now typically what we'll do when we wash the soffits is we'll do a light wash on there with a detergent to kill off a lot of the organic material. I'll get into a little bit more in detail, but hang in there and I'll show you what I mean. All right, so when we soft wash, we are soft washing the entire side of the house, including the trim and the soffits. Now, what soft washing is obviously is it's low pressure water with a detergent mixed in to take off the organic material that's on the side of your house, and it'll leave a nice clean surface. Now, people have wondered, what about the holes in the soffits? You know, is that going to be an issue? We try to keep the water to a minimum, so there's not any issue with the water going up into those. But what we have experienced, and I wanted to make a video on this, since we don't put a lot of water on there for obvious reasons, sometimes your soffits won't come as clean as what you would like them to come. So like right here, there's obviously a pre-existing issue where there's like some white film around those. Now that could have been prior washing. It's unlikely. What that's most likely is issues where there's been moisture on the surface of the soffit, and maybe over time there's been like insulation that was blown in, and then that's really a fine dust that happens when that process takes place. That can actually settle in some of those eaves. You can get fiberglass up in there that is really dusty, and then you know, obviously it escapes out the holes, so over time, you know, that'll come out and it'll just leave a residue on the side of those holes. Now we'll come in at an angle and still soft wash all that. Just keep in mind that that may not come 100% clean, and if there's still a residue on there, that it most likely was not a result of the soft wash. It just wasn't completely removed with the soft wash. It was something that was pre-existing, and that it is what it is. Whether the insulation was installed correctly or not, at this point it really doesn't much matter, but I just wanted to make a quick video on that. In fact, people asking about the soffits and whether or not it's wise to put water in there. But again, the amount of water is very, very little, just enough to clean it, not enough to saturate it or go up into there and cause any insulation to get wet.